plot each pair of points and find the slope of the line containing the points. Graph the line. All right, so we have two problems here. Let's start with this one. Here's our 2 points. We have -2, 2 and 1, 1. Now to plot these points, you need to realize that the first number is the x value and the second value is the y value. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate -2 on the x-axis. So what we do is we go to the left 2 units. And then the y value is 2, so we're going to go up 2 units. So that point is going to be right there. Going to the left 2 and then up 2. The point 1, 1, the x value is 1 right here and the y value is 1 right here. So I'm going to go to the right 1 unit and then up 1 unit. So here's the point 1, 1. Now to graph the line, you're just going to draw a straight line through it. Just try and draw it the best you can. Now I want us to also find the slope. Now one way you can do it is doing the slope formula, which is a fraction with y2 minus y1 up in the numerator, and then the denominator is x2 minus x1. So what you could do is you could label these points, x1, y1 for one of the points, and then x2, y2 for the second points. And then plugging in y2, which is 1, y1, which is 2, plug in x2, which is 1, and x1, which is a -2. And then to simplify this fraction, 1 minus 2 is -1. This is a double negative. 1 minus a -2, same thing as 1 plus 2, which is 3. So the slope here comes out to -1/3. Another way you can do it is rise over run. What I like to do here is I start with the leftmost point, and then I figure out, I make a right triangle out of it. The rise to get to the second point would be the up and down distance. Since I'm going down, it's going to be negative, so I'm going down 1 unit. So the rise here is going to be -1. And then the run is how far you go to the right. So you go 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So the run would be 3. So there's 2 ways of finding the slope through a pair of points. Let's work on this second one. Again, we have 2 points, so I'm going to graph this one, -1, 1. I'm going to go to the left 1 unit and then go up 1 unit. That makes a point right here. And then I have the point at 2, 2's. X is 2, I'm going to go to the right 2, and then I'm going to go up 2. There is 2, 2. Graphing the line, just going to draw a straight line through it. Just try and draw it the best you can. Now you can either do the formula or the rise over run. If you already have the graph of it, it's probably easier just to do rise over run. All right, so this time the triangle goes up for the rise. So the rise here is going to be +1 units. And then the run, go 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So this time the slope comes out to 1/3. Also notice if the line is going down from left to right, the slope is going to be negative. And it came out negative on this one. If the line is going up, rises from left to right, then the slope is going to be positive, which it came out to +1/3. There you go.